I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up alerts for your PNC transactions is a great way to stay informed about your finances. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Visit the PNC website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section, usually located in the menu. Step 3. Select alerts. In the account settings, look for the alerts option. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Choose transaction alerts. Select the type of alerts you want to enable, such as transaction alerts, low balance alerts, or deposit notifications. Make sure to check the boxes next to your preferences. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your desired alerts, be sure to save your changes. You might see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts are now active. Remember, if you don't see the alerts option, it might be due to your account type. Always check if your account is eligible for alerts. Setting these alerts can really help you keep track of your spending and avoid any surprises. Happy banking!